Land surveyors' jobs. The advantage of working with digital land survey (DLS) equipment over the use of theodolite, auto level and total station is that the drawing work of a premise layout, closed traverse, the rail, road river route alignment, open traverse, etc. are done in the field, without making data entry in the instrument computer on the field. It takes lot of time in the field work. In working with DLS equipment, the primary drawing work with raised to object points and necessary distances taken by laser meet are marked on the spot. And required observed data is marked on the sheet in the field. 2. No need to follow a set procedure of orientation when the instrument is shifted to next location. 3. Ground leveling work becomes much simplified with use of DLS equipment. It is evident by a demo exercise given here. Figure on the screen shows the arrangement of taking observation to determine RL of ground points. From email correspondence it is found you eagerly look forward to online surveyors training at Approved JST Network Franchise Center to become self-employed. Please like the video attached. Thank you. Solution Demo Exercise. Dear Sir, you are a respected person in the educated society. I solicit your cooperation in bringing awareness of new technology and methods among young generation. In land survey with use of DLS equipment no angle is measured on the field, therefore graduate civil engineers cannot determine the RL of points at A and B. A civil engineer need to update land surveying techniques in view of introduction of digital land survey, DLS, equipment, which has replaced the use of auto level and total station. To understand the importance of DLS equipment, a demo exercise data is given as 1. DLS equipment is set at point O. Let RL of O is 100.00. 2. Height of instrument at O is equal to 1.25 m. 3. Signal height at A is equal to 0.5 m. Laser meter distance OA is equal to 110 meter at depression. 4. Signal height at B is equal to 0.5 m. Laser meter distance OB is equal to 87.5 meter at elevation. From email correspondence it is found you eagerly look forward to online surveyors training at Approved JST Network Franchise Center to become self-employed. Please like the video attached. Suite P-1 Determination of horizontal distance OA and R.L of point A. Use soft app supplied free of cost with DLS equipment to determine the angle of depression is equal to 0.46 degrees for line of sight OA. Therefore R.L of point A is equal to RL of O plus 1.25 110 sin, 0.46, is equal to 100 plus 1.25, 0.89 0.50 is equal to 99.86 meter. Step 2 Determination of horizontal distance OB and R.L of point B. Again, use soft app to determine the angle of elevation line of sight OB is equal to 0.58 degrees. Therefore R.L of point A is equal to RL of O plus 1.25 plus 87.5 sin, 0.58, is equal to 100 plus 1.25 plus 0.89 0.50 is equal to 101.64 meter. The extract of soft app working is presented below. Step 3 The field drawing sheet is completed with RL of points as shown on the screen. Dear students, you have learned the innovative solution of the given land surveying problem. Training of land surveyors at Approved JST Network Franchise Center provides opportunity anyone to become entrepreneur. After training you can be employed as surveyor in any civil engineering department, or you can undertake production and marketing, or you may run own training center and join Approved JST Network on any part of the country. Please like the video attached and subscribe the channel. Place your order to purchase DLS equipment by email correspondence given on the screen. Thank you.